Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I'm going to continue about listening activities. As I told you before that there are three types of question. The first one, short conversation or short talks. It consists of two person and the narrator. And the second one is long conversation, and the third one is talk. Ya, the longer text ya. Nah, so in this video we are going to discuss about long conversation and talks. For the long conversation nih, ceritanya the criteria, uh, there are two person, ya, there are two persons, and they talk about something. They talk about something. They will no, not they will, but the narrator will give you the question based on their conversation. Nah, yang teman-teman harus, the things that you have to keep in mind, harus diperhatikan. The first one, teman-teman, caranya it depends on you. You can listen to the first sentence. Bisa nih kalau pas nemu jawaban, nemu long conversation kayak gini, kalau di tes itu kalian bisa dengarkan yang first sentence. Or you read possible answer from 4 options. Jadi kalau realnya nanti teman-teman dapat kayak jawabannya aja. There are 4 options. Terus nanti you can read first, di analyze, terus baru listen to the conversation nih. Jadi sambil nanti ada perintahnya kalian you can read ya yang di halaman pertama, karena usually we cannot as a participant, kalian tuh you cannot open the next page gitu ya. Terus tadi yang harus diperhatikan itu there is a WH question. Apa sih WH question yang paling sering keluar? Pertama what is apa. Terus yang kedua itu who is siapa. Berarti they talk about person. Occupation itu bisa, pokoknya jawabannya biasanya orang. When, about time. Time itu nggak selalu exactly jam ya, tapi juga for example tomorrow, this morning, kayak gitu, itu udah termasuk time. Kemudian ada where, tempat, and ada juga how, bagaimana ya caranya. Dan yang memudahkan kita adalah questionnya pasti in order, berurutan. Mari kita dengarkan contohnya ya. Ini ada video yang akan tapi menyebutkan question from 31 to 34. Jadi ini beneran awal dari si part B-nya. Let's listen.
Now, read along with me as I read the directions for part B. Remember, you should not read ahead or turn the pages while the directions for this part are being read. Part B. Directions. In this part of the test, you will...
Nih, lagi tadi ada tentang direction seperti ini, teman-teman, you can read the possible answer di sini ya. Sayangnya karena ini video kita nggak bisa lihat, tapi kalau realnya teman-teman nanti bisa baca sedikit.
Hear longer conversations. After each conversation, you will hear several questions. The conversations and questions will not be repeated. After you hear a question, read the 4 possible answers in your test book and choose the best answer. Then, on your answer sheet, find the number of the question and fill in the space that corresponds to the letter of the answer you have chosen. Remember, you are not allowed to take notes or write in your test book. Now we will begin part B with the first conversation. Questions 31 through 34. Listen as a man and woman discuss a haircut.
Jadi narator A man and a woman talk about haircut. Nah, berarti apa yang mereka bicarakan? Haircut, they talk about potong rambut ya. Nah, sekarang while listening to the conversation nih teman-teman, tolong diingat tadi ya. What, who, when. Oke. Boleh where sama where and how ya. Semuanya tolong diingat-ingat. Berarti kalau who ngomongin siapa, when di mana, where itu when itu kapan, where di mana, sama how bagaimana. Okay.
Hi, Bob. Your hair looks nice. It's a bit shorter than usual, isn't it?
A bit shorter? I don't think so. It's a lot shorter. When I look in the mirror, I don't even know who's looking back at me.
So you got your hair cut, but you didn't get the haircut that you wanted.
This is not even close to the haircut that I wanted. I asked to have my hair trimmed just a little bit, and the hairstylist really went to town. When I looked down at the floor, there were piles of hair, my hair, on the floor. I couldn't believe it.
Well, what did you say to the hairstylist?
What could I say? The hair was already cut off. I couldn't exactly say, please put it back on, although that's exactly what I did want to say.
Well, at least your hair will grow back soon.
That's what everyone is saying to me. It'll grow back. It'll grow back. But it won't grow fast enough to make me happy.
Maybe after you get used to it, you'll like it a bit more.
Number 31.
Oke, dari percakapan itu teman-teman bisa dapetin beberapa informasi ya. Pertama, who, kita dengar tadi suara ada Bob. When-nya kalian bisa tahu nggak? Kayaknya mungkin kita bisa bilang after Bob cut his hair, bisa aja kayak gitu. Where-nya gimana ya? Berarti mungkin ya kampus karena dia si ceweknya temannya, jadi itu bisa possible answer-nya banyak. Terus juga what. Kalau what di sini kita bisa sebutin ada hair, kan banyak ya. What itu apa kan? Berarti mungkin they talk about hair, mungkin juga they talk about apa yang tadi teman-temannya sampaikan ya, tentang menyampaikan it will grow back gitu. Grow. Oke ya. And how. Nah, bagaimana tuh? Oke, kita lihat di question number 31 di sini katanya the haircut is unusual short. This is Bob's first haircut. Bob doesn't know who gave him the haircut. After the haircut, Bob's hair still touched the floor. Mungkin pertanyaannya akan menjadi what ya. Tapi let's listen.
What seems to be true about Bob's haircut?
Ya, benar kan pertanyaannya? What does seem true about Bob haircut? Nah, kalau di sini what does seem true about Bob's haircut? Apa nih yang pernyataan yang benar mengenai rambutnya si Bob? Kalau teman-teman bisa lihat di sini, you can see that possible answer-nya yang A, katanya haircut is unusual short. B, this is Bob's first haircut. C, Bob doesn't know who gave him the haircut. D, after the haircut, Bob's hair still touches the floor. Kalau teman-teman memilih, for example, apakah ada kata terdengar, mungkin mengingat-ingat apakah terdengar ada percakapan tentang first? Enggak ya, karena kalau this is Bob's first haircut berarti kita ngomongin kapan. Terus Bob doesn't know who gave him the haircut. Secara logika itu juga nggak mungkin karena dia pasti tahu yang potongnya adalah hairstylist. And after the haircut, Bob's hair still touch the floor. Karena tadi seperti yang saya sampaikan, the question is in order, sedangkan kata floor itu ada di akhir, maka the possible answer, jawabannya yang paling tepat adalah yang A. Kita lanjutkan lagi.
Number 32. How does Bob seem to feel about his haircut?
How does Bob seem to feel? Feel ya, so they talk about feel, perasaan. Ya, kita bayangkan aja, logically, kalau kita dapat sesuatu yang gak sesuai, pasti gimana perasaannya? Nah, kita lalu lihat possible answer-nya itu ada, it is just what he wanted. He enjoys having the last style. He dislikes immensely. He thinks it will be cool in the summer. Kalau tadi tone-nya, oh ya, yang perlu diperhatikan juga tadi ya, tone suaranya si Bob itu. Tone suaranya kayak orang bahagia atau kesel? Nah, jadi kalian bisa lihat dari tone suaranya juga. Dia kesel, bahagia, sedih. Nah, kalau tadi kita dengarkan, tone-nya itu, misalnya kalian nggak ngerti nih what they are talking about, tapi tone-nya kayak marah-marah. So, we can say that the answer is A ya. Sorry. Sorry, maksud saya perasaannya tadi kayak marah-marah. So, he dislike it immensely. Sangat nggak suka. Oke, lanjut.
Number 33. What did Bob see on the floor?
The question is, what did Bob see on the floor? Nah, tadi ya, floor. Apa yang kemungkinan ada di lantai? Yang paling mereka banyak bicarakan, bahkan sama si narator juga talk about the first time, they talk about hair. Berarti pilihannya apa? Nggak mungkin yang broken mirror, nggak mungkin juga hairstylist. Pilihannya antara C or D. Scissor used to cut his hair, tapi nggak kedengaran kata scissor kan tadi di awal, maka the answer is D.
Number 34. What do people keep saying to Bob?
Number 34 kan, what do people keep saying? Nah, dia mengulang beberapa kali, maka saya yakin teman-teman tahu jawabannya. Nanti yang tahu jawabannya, you can send me a text ya. You can send me, if you have finished watch this video, and then send me the text ya, apa jawabannya, and then you get something from me. Okay, now we are going to begin discuss yang part C ya, talks yang agak panjang. Nah, kalau tadi yang longer conversation itu they talk about general things, mereka pasti ngomonginnya sesuatu yang general. Tapi kalau yang talks ini, dia talk about scientific. Scientific text. Ini buat yang talks. Nah, pilihannya karena dia scientific, they can talk. The speaker itu biasanya satu orang aja, only one person. For example, it can be a tour guide ya teman-teman. It can be a professor, berarti di dalam kelas. It can be a anchor woman or anchor ya, pembawa berita gitu. Jadi emang dia udah kayak spesifik teks aja. Yuk kita dengarkan kira-kira what are they talking about atau what are they going to discuss di teks yang ini.
Part C with the first talk. Questions 39 through 42. Listen to a talk by a tour guide in the Everglades National Park.
Today we're going to be taking a tram tour through part of the Everglades National Park. Quite probably we'll be seeing a number of crocodiles sunning themselves by the side of the water or poking their heads up through the water. Needless to say, we will not be getting off the tram at any time until we leave the area.
Oke, kita potong dulu ya. Sama seperti yang long conversation, kita bisa mulai discuss atau mulai what's it called ya, kalian bisa mulai menduga, you can guess ini dari mana. Oke. Nah setelah itu sama juga ya, berarti what, who, when, where sama how-nya dipergunakan. Ya boleh, takutnya tadi kelewat ya, kita ulang lagi.
Quite probably we'll be seeing a number of crocodiles sunning themselves by the side of the water or poking their heads up through the water.
Ya, udah kedengeran juga. Tadi kalau ngomongin what, ini udah kita udah punya satu, yaitu they talk about crocodile.
Needless to say, we will not be getting off the tram at any time until we leave the area because of the danger posed by the crocodiles. By the way, you've probably heard of the expression crying crocodile tears. It is common to say that someone is crying crocodile tears when he or she is pretending to be sad or full of regret. Crocodiles always appear to have tears in their eyes, but they are not crying because of sadness or even pretended sadness. Instead, a crocodile uses its tear ducts to get rid of extra salt from its body. A crocodile does not sweat the same way that humans do and must get rid of extra salt through tears. So if you see a crying crocodile, do not think that it's feeling sad. It is basically sweating through its eyes. Look, over there on the right. There are two large crocodiles on the water's edge, right next to the fallen trees. You can get out your cameras and take pictures from here on the tram, but no, you cannot get off the tram to get any closer.
Number 39.
Oke, kalau ngomongin where, kalian bisa menduga nggak ini di mana? The possible answer mungkin ini ada di zoo ya. Karena tadi terdengarnya kayak si guide-nya. Who-nya di sini kita bisa answer as guide. Where-nya kita bisa jawab juga ini at zoo. Oke.
Where does this talk take place?
Where does berarti tempat ya. Tempatnya di mana menurut kalian? Ya, the answer is C ya, on a tram. Karena tadi tadi saya sampaikan bahwa ini kemungkinan besar di zoo, maka dan terdengar juga sebenarnya dia ngomong you cannot jump from the tram, maka jawabannya adalah C.
Number 40. What does the expression crying crocodile tears mean when it is used to describe humans?
Crying crocodile tears. Nah, apa sih maksudnya crying crocodile tears? Kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia saya lupa ya, tapi kalau crying crocodile tears berarti kan buaya dan tangisan buaya gitu. So, which one do you think? Kayaknya nggak usah dibahas ya, karena I do believe you know what it is. Nah, ini juga sama. Tolong kasih jawabannya ke saya. Kalau emang benar, nanti kita lihat nih siapa yang paling duluan, terus dan jawabannya paling tepat, you will get something.
Number 41. Why do crocodiles have tears in their eyes?
Nah, why do the crocodile tears katanya in their eyes? Kenapa mereka nangis? Of course, karena sebenarnya secara logically kita juga bisa jawab. Kita bisa menghilangkan dua jawaban. Yang mana aja? Yang A, they are sad, karena namanya yang punya perasaan kan cuma human ya. Terus kemudian they regret their action, itu kayak nggak mungkin. So possible answer kita bisa berkurang dua, jadi masih kemudian antara B and C. Terus they are warming themselves. Mungkin gak sih mereka menghangatkan tubuh, sedangkan mereka kan nggak tinggal di tempat yang dingin. Maka kita juga we can get rid the possible answer. So the answer C ya, they are getting rid of salt.
Number 42. What does the tour guide recommend?
Tadi di in the end of the talks terdengar juga you can take a picture. Maka picture ini sinonimnya sama yang mana? Ya. Apakah A, taking photograph, B, getting closer to the crocodiles, exploring the water's edge, and D, getting off the tram. Sedangkan yang getting off the tram itu udah dilarang sama tour guide-nya. That's why B, C, sama D udah nggak mungkin. So the answer adalah A. Okay, that's all the explanation teman-teman. I do really sorry. I know it's very simple and very short, tapi mudah-mudahan ini you can get the insight ya. Bisa jadi tambahan informasi buat teman-teman, sedikit tips and tricks dalam menjawab conversation gitu. Not only for tuple but also for our daily life. Jadi kalau ada yang ngomong, tetap kita perlu mendengarkan dengan menggunakan WH question itu. Okay, that's all for me. Remember, please, if you want to get something from me, I will give you something gitu special for those who can send me a text to answer the question number 34 and 40. Okay? Okay, see you everyone. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.